Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp, a health food firm, is the latest stock to see a surge in interest from retail investors. Use this resource to discover more about its chances of success in the future. This easy-to-understand guide will walk you through everything you need to know about the Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp, including why it's become a popular stock and what you should consider before investing. Hello, this is Stock Monster, and we've got another stock-related video for you. Please subscribe and activate the notification bell for other stock videos before we continue. Now, what about HCMC? Is it worthwhile to invest in it? Vapor Corp, formerly known as Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp, is a holding corporation. The company's primary focus is on managing healthy food markets and offering consumers healthy daily nutrition and lifestyle options. The company's business includes a vaporizer and e-liquid retailer based in the United States and natural and organic food operations in Fort Myers, Florida. Through its brick-and-mortar retail outlets, the company sells directly to consumers. The Vape Store and Ada's Natural and Organic are two of the company's brands. HCMC was one of many equities that saw a surge in interest in early 2021, when the Wall Street Bets subreddit sparked a trend in which many retail investors poured money into firms that were not Wall Street favorites. When it comes to deciding whether or not to invest your money, though, you should keep a level head and avoid succumbing to the hype. While the HCMC share price has recently risen dramatically, you should examine more significant trends and the firm in greater depth before purchasing shares. HCMC stock has underperformed over the last 5 years, although it has recently risen due to the increased interest from ordinary investors. Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp is a penny stock, with shares trading for barely a fraction of a cent since 2016. As a result, HCMC shares are traded on OTC markets, which means they are not sold on traditional stock market. The value of Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp shares grew considerably in January 2021, but remained significantly below 1 cent per share. Individual investors opted to take on huge Wall Street hedge funds, which had been shortening different equities, and this interest in HCMC stock was fueled by the same online forums that pushed the price of GME, AMC, and BB shares to new heights. Your investment objectives largely determine the answer to this question. Because the company trades so inexpensively, you can acquire hundreds of shares for $1. However, trading in penny stocks is always dangerous, and you should carefully consider your options before proceeding. If you're a trader looking to short-term flip HCMC shares as the market changes, you'll want to stay up to date on all the newest news and learn how to perform technical stock price research. This will increase your chances of correctly anticipating the market's direction throughout the day. On the other hand, if you want to develop a long-term stock portfolio, you should conduct a fundamental analysis of the Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp and examine its prospects. Day-to-day price fluctuations aren't as substantial if you feel HCMC stock will recover in the future. How to buy HCMC stock. This tutorial will walk you through the steps of investing for the first time. Don't worry if you're new to it. It's essential and straightforward. Select a broker. The first thing you'll need is a platform for online broking. There are numerous options to consider, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. If you're still unsure, use the comparison table above to find the best broker for you. If you're still not sure, check out our in-depth broker reviews. Make a user account. Go to their website and register an account once you've decided on a broker. The procedures required for this differ per platform, but you should anticipate supplying your name, email address, phone number, and some photo identification in most cases. Make a deposit. Select the option to deposit funds after logging into your broker account. You'll have several payment choices depending on your broker. Most accept bank transfers and debit card payments, but not all accept e-wallets like PayPal. Choose your preferred mode of payment and deposit the amount you want to invest in Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp shares. Place a stock order for HCMC. Look up the ticker symbol HCMC for Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp and see what the stock is now trading for. If the price is right for you, enter the number of shares you wish to buy and place your order. Put your order into action. Your broker will automatically execute your order once you've placed it, and your Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp shares will appear in your account. Congratulations on your recent purchase of HCMC stock. Are you having fun so far? Please like and share the video with your friends that are interested in HCMC or investing. But first and foremost, what should you do before purchasing HCMC stock? Before investing your money in a stock, you should always do your analysis, especially if you've never bought a stock before. The more information you have, the more likely you are to make a sensible investment. With that in mind, here's a list of questions to ask yourself before buying shares in Healthier Choices Mgmt Corp. Investigate the company. You should constantly look into a company's basics. What is the mission of Healthier Choices Management Corporation? How did the business get started? How did it develop? Is the revenue and profit growth of Healthier Choices Management Corp ramping up? Is the company forward-thinking? The more information you have about Healthier Choices Management Corp, the more equipped you will be to make informed financial decisions. Make sure you're familiar with the fundamentals of stock investing. Before you start investing in the stock market, make sure you understand how it works. This will ensure that your objectives are more clearly stated and consider how you will attain them. Choose between stock trading and CFD trading. Select the type of investment plan you wish to pursue, and make sure you've completed the appropriate fundamental or technical analysis for stock trading and CFD trading respectively. Decide on budget size. When it comes to investing, the golden rule is never to take on more risk than you can afford to lose, because not every investment you make will turn a profit. It's critical to create a budget that allows for capital growth and protection against excessive losses. Locate a suitable broker. Individual brokers have their own set of advantages and disadvantages. Some will have minimal prices but a difficult-to-understand user interface, while others will be a little more expensive but offer various services that you wish to utilize. Our thorough broker reviews can assist you in selecting the best platform for your needs. Take a look at the overall market situation. No stock lives in a vacuum, and it's always a good idea to look at the general stock market trends before investing. If a bear market is forming and stock prices drop, it's preferable to wait it out and support when the stock is cheaper. If, on the other hand, the market is bearish, you'll want to make your investment as soon as possible to take advantage of rising stock prices. Our news section can help you stay up to date on market developments. If you're new to stock investing, learning the basics of how to buy, sell, and trade Healthier Choices Management Corp shares is essential. Before you select how to invest, here's a quick rundown of what's involved in each. Purchasing HCMC, as explained in the steps further up in this page, this process entails locating a broker and placing an order for HCMC shares. Ideally, you should invest when the stock's price is low so that you can benefit by selling the shares later when their value has increased. It is entirely up to you when you decide to sell. You may choose to invest in stocks for the long term in the hopes of profiting from the company's consistent growth. Alternatively, find that Healthier Choices Management Corp stocks has already risen significantly from the price at which you purchased it, and you've detected that the stock market is starting to plummet. It might be a good idea to sell and invest the earnings elsewhere. Similarly, if the stock has decreased since you acquired it and appears to be falling further, selling your shares may be a sensible way to reduce your losses. Trading is the same procedure as investing. The difference is that it is done over a shorter time to make small returns regularly. This means you may gain money faster and spend your earnings in your daily life. On the other hand, it also means you might lose money more quickly. And that's all there is to know about HCMC. Do you plan to invest or not? Please subscribe to the channel for more stock-related videos and share your ideas in the comments area. Stock Monster is your online broker, and we'll catch up with you in the following video.